Hey everybody, this is Ruby. Welcome back to my channel. A little background. Right now I'm in Basar, which is a small village in Arunachal Pradesh. So I was here for BusCon, which is Basar Confluence, which is an yearly event, and it is over now. So it was from 19th November to 21st November, which is already over. So by now I hope I have already published the videos for BusCon, and if you haven't watched them, I'll link it here. Please pause this video and go and watch that before you continue here. So for BusCon they've invited a lot of bloggers and all. So here in Basar they don't have proper accommodation, as in terms of hotels and all. So what they have done is Basar has actually a lot of small villages. So what they've done is they've requested people from every village to rent out like a couple of rooms to the people who have come here as guests, so that we can also have a unique staying experience, and their problem is also sorted. So the villagers were not very open to the idea initially, but they somehow convinced them, and they rented their place out. So I like that. In the same process, right now I'm staying in a small village called Bam village, which is in Basar. So whole of Basar is inhabited by the Galo community, Galo tribe, which is one of the prominent tribes of Arunachal Pradesh. So I was actually staying in a proper house of a Galo tribe, and I have eaten, I have slept, and I have lived 5 days of my life just like they live. So I thought it would be an interesting thing to show you guys how they live, and what's their life is in general, and how do they live. I hope you find this video interesting. So let me show you my house now. So if you see what you see in the background, I am not sure if you see. Yeah, this one is my house. This is where I was staying. So I'm going to take you inside, and then after that I'll also give you a quick tour of the whole village. It's not a very big village, but it's very beautiful village. So I'll show you the village also. So as of now, let's go inside and check out my house. ये हमारे होस्ट हैं. हाय बोलिए.
हाय.
अभी ये भी हमको अपना पूरा घर दिखाएंगे और घर के सारे सेक्शन के बारे में बताएंगे. ऑल्दो मुझे भी काफ़ी कुछ समझ में आ गया है, बट फिर भी इनकी हेल्प चाहिए होगी. सो विल गो फ्रॉम इनसाइड, गो फ्रॉम हियर.
चलिए आइए ना, ये हम लोग का एंट्री पॉइंट है.
हाँ, so basically whenever you come, you'll have to take off your shoes here and wear something which is worn inside the house, like I am wearing right now.
आइए, हम लोग यहाँ पे पहले आके दिन में यहाँ बैठ जाते हैं. ये आप लोग का ड्राइंग रूम जैसे है.
Now I'll take you to my room. So this is my room. If there's any mess, it is made by me. This is the small bed that I have. Very good, very sufficient for me. I have got 2 windows, and this is the small area. And let me show you the view from my room. Now we are going to a very special area. Boom, boom, boom. इसे क्या बोलते हैं?
ये जगह को उदू बोलता है.
उदू
कंप्लीट है नामरा. ये अभी जो कॉमन जो इसको नामरा हम लोग.
अच्छा, द होल एरिया इज कॉल्ड नामरा. ओके.
और इसका ये नामरा का अंदर में ये पर्टिकुलर ये पोजीशन और ये इसका नाम अलग अलग है. अच्छा. और इसका भी कुछ नाम था ना, आपने बताया था. इसको पहले जमाने में हम लोग यहाँ पे ये तो आजकल आयरन से बनाता है, लेकिन पहले यहाँ पे हम लोग पत्थर रखता था, लंबा वाला पत्थर. तो उसको ये इसका नाम इमिक है, जहाँ पे आग जलाता है. और इसमें 3 पत्थर रखता था ऐसे करके लंबा.
अच्छा.
तो उसका नाम लीचिक है. तो लीचिक आजकल इसका लोहा का इसका
उसका नाम
भी
लीचिक हो
बोलता
गया।
है,
अच्छा,
लीचिक बोलता है। और एक चीज ये है कि इसको हम लोग ये जैसे दान सुखाना हो, इसमें
हाँ।
दरी बिछा के दान सुखाता है,
हाँ,
या कोई चीज सुखाना हो तो इसमें इसी में डाल के सुखाता है। और इसको डाउन करके जब आग
हाँ।
इसमें ये इतना ऊपर में तो आग
नहीं
गर्म नहीं
पहुंचता,
लगेगा,
हाँ।
इसलिए इसको डाउन करके ये आपको हम जरा दिखा दें।
Now check out the engine room.
बस यहाँ डाउन करके यहाँ दारी बिछा जाता है,
हाँ।
बिछा के यहाँ पे दान सुखा लेता है।
हाँ।
और जब इसका खत्म होगा या कोई मेहमान आएगा ज्यादा
तो
आदमी
फिर
आएगा,
से ऊपर
तो
कर
फिर
देंगे।
से इसको ऊपर कर देते हैं।
हमने अपने सारे लंच डिनर ब्रेकफास्ट सब यहीं पे बैठ के किए। यहाँ पे बीच में मस्त आग जलती थी और हम इधर ये मोड़ों पे बैठ के खाना खाते थे। Let me show you a little around the village as well. These are orange trees. मुझे विलेज घुमा रहे हैं ये भाई साहब। So I'm just walking around the village, and if you see all the houses here, they all look very same, like they're just similar to each other. So they made all the houses in an exact fashion. So if you must have observed by now, they make their houses on an elevation. There is a lot of space left. So what I got to know that space is for their animals. Whatever animals they have domesticated, they keep their animals there, and on top of that they build the house to live. So यहाँ पे इस गांव में जब लोग घर बनाते हैं तो सब एक दूसरे की हेल्प करते हैं। कोई भी घर अकेले नहीं बनाता है, एंड इट इज़ नेवर अबाउट मनी, है ना। लैंड का डिस्प्यूट भी नहीं होता है ना इधर।
नहीं, लैंड का डिस्प्यूट नहीं होता यहाँ
सब-
पे। सब एक बस्ती, एक विलेज आपको बनाना होता है।
हाँ
तो वहाँ पे कोई अपना एक ये जो डोनेट करके
हाँ
उसका ये अल्टरनेट तो कहीं से मतलब मट्टी जो एडजस्ट हो जाते हैं। जैसे
हाँ।
मैं ये बस्ती पे बैठना चाहूँ तो उससे परमिशन लेके बैठ जाऊँगा।
हाँ।
फिर अगर वो चाहे तो मुझे फ्री से भी दे सकते हैं, या फिर मैं उसको ये एक्सचेंज करके किसी बाहर ये मट्टी से उसको मैं यहाँ पे जो
हाँ, मतलब लैंड एक्सचेंज कर सकते हो।
कर सकते हैं।
मतलब किसी का घर अगर इस विलेज में है और तुमको इसी विलेज में घर चाहिए,
हाँ, हाँ,
तो तुम मुझसे रिक्वेस्ट करके ले सकते हो और उसको किसी और लैंड का दे सकते हो,
हाँ, हाँ।
राइट। All these are granaries where they store their produce, and every house has one granary. So every house in the village has this one bucket hanging outside their house, because in case if any of the houses catches fire, then all of the villagers, they get their bucket, they fill it with water and come for rescue. And if there's any house which is not having this hanging outside their house, they have to pay a fine for it. So this is quite interesting. So I'm done with my dinner and I'm packed already because I'm leaving early tomorrow. I've had such a great time here, and the people here, the whole village, everything is very amazing about this place, and I would totally like to come back here, especially to this very place where I'm staying right now. And if you like to know more about this place, I will leave the name and the phone number of the owner of the house in the description box below. So if you want to come here, you can always call him and figure out the way and other details. I hope you like this video. I really do, because this thing was very special and I really loved the place. So I hope you loved it as much as I did, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, I'm gonna see you soon in another video. Till then, bye.